All right, so here's how I do Anderson power poles for my Neo motor here. These are fairly high amperage connections. So I'm using these 45 amp pins. You can get lower than that, but these are nice and beefy and will never cause you grief. So I just start a little pre-crimp here, just so they'll fit into the crimper. And I use the largest channel to stick it all the way in, and like so. I give just a little tug to make sure that it's properly seated. Then for this, I just use these little strippers from Lowe's. I go to the end of this block and just snip. And then once this is all set, just stick that in there. Oops. I want this nice, I don't want any hair wires sticking out. So I kind of start at the top, work my way down, and then push the insulation all the way up against the metal. And then a nice crimp. And there we go. So for this, here we go. So these housings have a thin side and a thick side. And what you want to do is have the hook kind of facing up towards the thin side. And you just kind of feel it in there until it is seated and square. You don't want it at an angle. And just kind of wiggle it around until it catches. And you hear that click. And then you should see the kind of the scoop part. And you'll know it's correct because you can put it with another one. And it should snap in and create a nice firm connection with a high amperage ability. There you go.